Hello foodies, welcome back. It's pumpkin season and it's also leek season and it's soup season. So today I'm bringing you this beautiful then delicious pumpkin and leek soup. This soup is so good and easy to make. The pumpkin give this soup a homely soup body. The leeks give them a silky texture, and we put in cream at the end, so it's like creamy, silky, homely, delicious. Oh my goodness, you're going to love this one. It is very easy to make. I have the full recipe down in the description. Check that out. I don't need to talk over too much in this video because it's really easy and self-explanatory. So I'm just slicing stuff here, getting ready. Always be careful with the knife. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, invite others, and let's grow our foodie family. Thank you. And guys, so what I wanted to mention, so I measured my pumpkin after I sliced them. The leek, I measured them before I sliced them. However, the pumpkin I sliced and removed the seed and the skin, that when I measured it. So this was a whole small, medium to small pumpkin. So I used a whole bit and it was 500 grams. So, just if you're wondering after seeing the recipe down below, so that is what I measured my pumpkin beef after cutting and removing everything else. Okay, my lovely, I hope you're following. So what I wanted to add here, when you add water to your soup, it's always good to add at least less than more, because if you add more, you can always add more water, but if you add a lot of it, then you cannot remove it. So it's always good to add water just to cover your vegetable, and after you've blended it and it's thick, then you can adjust to the thickness of your liking with a little bit of water at a time. So don't, even if a recipe say 1 liter, 2 liter, always try and use common sense and add a little bit less, so that after blending you have that opportunity to make it to your your perfect consistency. Okay, so you will see here my soup will be quite heavy, but I always do that purposely because I also freeze it when it's kind of a heavy blended soup, so when I warm it I can put some water in there and adjust it to the consistency that I love. Ooh, the soup is ready. Can you see that texture, guys? Creamy, silky, full-bodied. Ooh, this soup was so good. If you've been here up until this end, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and invite others to come and be part of our growing foodie family. Thank you.